And well, on warm spring days like today, water is on a lot of our minds because we want to stay hydrated. But there's also a lot of talk about water and the water projects happening right here in Lansing. And here to kind of break it all down is Dick Peffley from BWL. Nice to see you.
It's great to be back.
Yes. Are you enjoying the warmer weather?
I absolutely am.
Same. I feel like everyone is, because if there's any complaints, then they have to have the Michigan winters.
Absolutely.
Right. But we're so excited to have you in because there is a lot of buzz about what's happening near Lake Lansing Road with BWL's new water tower. So kind of walk us through what's the latest going out up there.
Well, that project's just about done. We're going to put that tower in service here in the fall. It's very exciting, and one of the greatest parts of it is it was funded almost exclusively by a grant.
Okay.
So we always like getting free money.
Yeah.
But we have been asked why build this tower. Well, right now we have pumps that run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to send water to our customers. What we'll do with this tower is we will fill it up at night when electric rates are less, and then on peak rates during the day, we'll drain that tower down, so we won't have to run the pumps as much. So it'll save our customers a lot of money. In fact, about $100,000 in electric costs every year will be offset by having this water tower.
Wow, right there. And you really can't miss it. I love what you guys have designed on it too, with your guys' logo. So walk us through a little bit about why it's important for BWL to upgrade water infrastructure in general too.
Well, our water utility is very reliable, and that's what our customers expect. We were the first company in the United States to change out lead service pipes. Now we're looking at the actual water mains. We have 800 miles of water mains through town, and historically we replace about a mile to a mile and a half a year. We're going to ramp that up to 8 miles. This year we're doing 6. Next year is closing on 8, and that will help us maintain that system and keep it reliable. There's a lot of water that goes through those pipes. In fact, it's 7 billion gallons a year is pumped through the pipes to our customers.
Wow, right here in Michigan.
Yeah.
That is a lot, especially when you put it in numbers. You know, I knew that there's going to be a lot that was used because there's so many people that use it, but that is a lot when you say it like that. But what do you see with BWL's water? Kind of what makes it special? Because obviously you pump a lot.
The taste and the quality is second to none. We win taste test every time we go up against another utility for water. The customers love our water, and we do 240,000 checks of that water every year to ensure that it meets or exceeds state and federal safe drinking water standards. So that is something we're very proud of. And if you go to the store to buy water, a gallon is probably what, $1.50?
I think nowadays it is.
Do you know what we deliver a gallon to you for?
What is that?
1 penny.
All right. That's a little bit less. We'll take that.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well, what's for you, obviously, as the general manager of BWL, what's it like to see kind of all of these projects come into fruition, especially that water tower that's expected to be completed in the fall? It's
very exciting, and we couldn't have done this without a grant because the water utility just couldn't afford a $33 million expense. So with the state of Michigan stepping in to help with that, it's something the company's always wanted. We've wanted to put more water main in, and we're getting some grants to do that too. So it's just a very exciting time to be part of the Lansing area.
Yeah, absolutely. And just goes to show how much support is there from the state, the community, all kind of giving back so the community can get a lot out of it too. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in. And of course, you can find more information about the latest of the projects on their website. Plus, every time you come in, you always kind of sometimes break down how you can kind of better read your bills. Yes. That all information is online as well. But thank you so much. You're always so much fun to have it.
It's a pleasure to be here, and I look forward to seeing you again.
Absolutely. Hopefully it's still warm like this outside. All right. Thanks again. We'll move it on here on Studio.